Grayson? Ooh, collecting stuff. Oh, he's collecting too. Two, right. How many? Whoa. Grayson, you've been an excellent rock climber. Boy, Hugh, you're so excited. Balls, right. No, don't eat it. No, Hugh, stop. So he goes running off. What's that, Grayson? Oh. Grayson. Grayson. Hugh. Stop putting it in your mouth. No. Hugh. What's that? What's this? Treat. No. Hugh, stop. What's that? Hugh, stop. I'm not going to let you have any more balls. What you doing, buddy? Wow. What you gonna do? You gonna jump? What's Grayson doing? Woo! Grayson always likes going off path. Won't stay on it. What you doing, buddy? Here he goes. Will not stay on the path. Whoa. Thank you. Oh, stick. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah, they're ready for camping. Thank you. Try to catch up with Huey. There goes Grayson off the path again. Oh boy. Whoa. Well, there goes Hugh running. Wow, is he running? Hope Dada can catch him.